Today I'm checking out the Parkside Multi-Functional Socket Wrench, a compact but super versatile tool for everyday DIY and workshop jobs. This wrench is designed to adapt automatically to different bolt and nut sizes, saving you time and space in your toolbox. Thanks to its multi-pin system, it grips various shapes like hex, square, and even damaged fasteners, making it perfect for quick repairs and tricky situations. The hardened steel construction offers solid durability, while the chrome finish helps protect against rust and wear. It works with standard ratchets, extension bars, and power tools, giving you flexibility whether you're working by hand or with a drill. From furniture assembly and bike repairs to automotive work and home projects, this tool handles it all with ease. What I really like is how practical it is. Instead of carrying multiple sockets, you only need one. Simple, smart, and extremely useful. If you enjoy tool reviews and DIY upgrades, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews and workshop content. More tools coming soon.